Welcome to Class Excel Basic. If you see a good video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Hi everyone, today I will guide you to insert picture in Excel quickly and comprehensively. Here I have 11 rows, 11 items. Now I want to assign them a picture each, a unique image for each product. To insert picture in Excel, first thing you click on Insert Picture. Find path to the document where the picture is stored. Select a photo, then press Ctrl+A. Edit the sizes of picture to 1:1 ratio. Edit size of photo, do not let them covering them. Click in Tiger and then Ctrl+A, select Align Center. Moving all photos to the center of the square. Moving Tiger to its location, select the cat and Ctrl+A. Go to Page Layout, Align, Distribute vertically. Let's see the results. If you see a good video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching.